everyone, especially our beloved lecturer, Miss Noraliza. We from Group 5 are going to present to all of you about how to perform a different type of traditional dance in Sabah. Without wasting our time, let's dive to the presentation. First of all, one of the important things that we have to know before we learn the movement of the dance or anything types of action, we have to learn about the history behind of the movement or the ethnic of the dance. In general, when we speak about Sabah, one of the traditional dance that we will appear in our mind is Sumazau, which the famous traditional or national dance of Kadasan ethnic in Sabah. But many people did not notice that in Sabah there are a lot of different types of traditional dance in Sabah that are still being performed by the local in Sabah. In this modern era, our society, especially teenagers, are not often like to fight and take a good care of our culture. Mostly they are like to watch, also learn about other countries' culture instead of their own culture. So this is our initiative to help save our culture for being forgotten by our own society.
Hi madam, my name is NETY ERDAYANTI. I would like to talk about history of Sumazau. Sumazau dance is a traditional Sabah dance that is very famous in Sabah and throughout Malaysia. It is a traditional dance of the Kadazan Dusun tribe, especially in the Penampang district, which is often performed on the Tadau Keamatan Celebration Day, which means Harvest Day, which is celebrated in the state of Sabah every May. The inspiration for this Sumazau dance is from the flying style of the eagle seen by farmers resting in the rice field during harvest season. Ritually, it aims to fulfill various functions such as expressing gratitude related to the activity of planting and harvesting rice, and also rejecting bala, worshipping the spirit of rice, and curing diseases. This dance is a dance by farmers consisting of men and women wearing their traditional clothes. Yes. Ngalai Labu is a traditional ethnic dance of the Dusun Labu tribe in Beluran district, which was internally a social dance of this district in free improvisation before being structured in the 1980s. In the language of this tribe, Mengalai means a dancing, while Labuk is a name of the part of the area in the small district of Beluran, which is Labuk Sumut. The creation of the dance is from an improvised dance as a result of the movements of eagles, chickens, or male or female peacock. The adaptation of the movement of this animal in improvisation is to create a form of entertainment in the community. Now, this dance has a more organized performance structure. Ngalai Agong is a traditional Suluk ethnic dance in Sandakan district. In the Suluk language, Pangalai or Alai means Rai. There is to celebrate gods or dignitaries in a ceremonies in the community village. Agong is the one of main musical instrument used, round in the shape with a bugle in the middle, which is called gong in Malay. The Suluk ethnic group believe that the movement of the dance takes from the movement of the eagle, burung linggisan in Suluk. The Brunei Zapin dance originates from the west coast of Sabah, which is worn by the Brunei tribe or community. The word Zapin comes from the word Jipin, Brunei language. The Brunei Jipin or Zapin dance originally did not exist. Only one song were often played at public events, and the movement were created according to the rhythm of the music play. Now the Brunei Jipin or Zapin dance has been performed at the public event and has been lifted to the stage as a performance. Is a traditional Bajau ethnic dance in Kota Belud district. This dance is performed as a special event when welcoming the arrival of the groom who is a parade to the bride house, as a sign to invite the groom to go up to the house to perform the ijab kabul marriage ceremony. Female dancers dress in surimpa, which is a traditional dress in of Bajau ethnic group, with their scarves as a symbol of inviting and welcoming the bride and groom. Thank you.
Everything has pros and cons to state whether the things has advantage and disadvantage. Meanwhile, as well as its ethnic dance in Sabah, I will talk about the pros in Sabah ethnic dance first. Being able to raise the dignity of the heritage of dance art in Sabah, which is not just an entertainment in front of the audience alone, and can different the dance because each tribe in Sabah has different dance movement of their own. Therefore, we can see and understand the unique element of ethnic dance. And the cons is each ethnic dance has its own clothes and costume. At this time, it is difficult to get costumes suitable for ethnic dance because it is limited and less exposed. Therefore, costumes for ethnic dance need to be multiplied so that they are easy to find it.
Hello, my name is Imran. Today I will present the result of my research on the real-life use of dance performance. First, celebration and entertainment. Dance is often a central element of celebration, festival, and entertainment. It adds vibrancy to social gathering and is a universal form of celebration across different cultures. Next, culture preservation. Many cultures use dance as a way to preserve and pass down traditions. Folk dance, traditional rituals, and ceremonial dances are integral parts of cultural heritage, helping to maintain a connection to one's roots and history. And last, social interaction. Dance is often a social activity, fostering connections and relationships. Whether participating in group dance classes or joining social dance events, it provides opportunities to meet new people, build friendships, and strengthen social bonds.
Hi, my name is ALIFF. I would like to talk about the step of Sumazau dance. The Sumazau dance is the dance with both hands raised to shoulder level and wave like a fan of bird's wing. Following the rhythm, play slowly and gently. Pairs of male and female dancers dance facing each other and they move their legs in small steps, while their heels are raised and lowered to the rhythm of the song. When dancing, the hands are flapped out. The movement goes up and down like a bird in flight. Next step in Magalai Lapu. The dance moves of this dance are uniform for male and female dancers. The raised hand does not exceed the level of the ear and the foot strike is moderately strong. There is a type of jumping movement that is danced by male dancers only and also a type of kneeling movement that is only danced by female dancers only. Out of 7 movements created based on free improvisation by the original dancers. Next step is Pagalai Haagung. At the beginning of the performance, female dancers dance as if making the movement of a high-flying eagle, followed by the eagle movement of male dancers carrying gongs and hammering gongs as a signal to call female dancers to climb on top of the gongs. With a gong, the female dancers climbs the gong and manage dance on it. Music from kuling tangan drums and gongs accompany this dance. Zapin Brunei dance is original did not exist. Only songs were often played at public events. Then movement were created according to the rhythm of the music play. Now, the Zapin Brunei dance has been performed at public events and has been lifted to the stage as a performance. The last one step is limbai. This dance is performed in pairs of men and women. The basic movement of the dance for women is to wave their arms while moving left and right. Male dancers perform movement as if twisting or curling their waist. That's all for me. Thank you.